Hey everybody, welcome. Well, it's finally voting time. So the MH Tutorials and BENQ 3D Modeling Challenge for Professional has closed for entry last night. So now it's up to you guys. So you guys get to vote on the entries today. All of them are going to be put up after this. Everybody gets to vote once, so put your vote in below, and the only votes that count are the ones done below. So don't post on Facebook or Twitter or whatever. So post that down below. Entries are going to be on a number, not on name, because we don't want you to vote for Jim or Linda or whatever. We want you to vote for the best entry, right? So once that all is said and done, the professional jury will take the 10 entries with the highest public vote count, and we'll take them, and then we'll set everything back to zero again. Now keep in mind that if need be, the professional jury has 2 wild cards to pick 2 extra entries if we feel they've been left out. So the top 10 might become a top 12, right? So once we have that, and the voting will close on December 1st, the professional jury will have a look at this top 10 or top 12 entries. We'll do some background checks, contact the artists, look at their portfolios and whatnot. And based on all of that stuff, we are going to come up with a top 10. That top 10 is going to be published on December 25th. We're going to start with our number 10, work our way up to 9, 8, 7, and so forth. And then we're going to announce the prize winners, and they're going to be the numbers 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Now, keep in mind that a lot of these artists participate not just to win, but to get the word out about their work. They need exposure and so forth. So that's why it's very important for them that you guys share this video, share their work, and get some spin on that, right? So before we get into the entries, here is an overview of the prizes put up by BENQ. BENQ, thank you once again. Very, very cool. And after that, we're going to show the entries. So give it your best vote and may the best person win. Thank you.